I'm Wendy Monroe with Simply Foodify, and today I'll be showing you how to make guacamole with Serrano peppers. And what you'll need for this recipe are 3 avocados, Serrano peppers, and I've already chopped them up here, cilantro, scallions, and 2 limes. Okay, so first we'll slice the avocados in half. Oops, and remove the pit. That one was easy. Okay, and then just slice these and then cut across this way also. So they're like diced inside the skin. That way when you scoop them out, they're already diced and ready to go. Okay, and then just scoop them into the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add the Serrano peppers and the scallions. Okay, and then we'll put in the cilantro and mix that up with a fork. And as you're mixing it in, just mash up the avocado a little bit too, so that it stays chunky, but you still want it a little bit mashed up so it's like a dip. Okay, that's stirred up nicely. Next we'll add the lime juice. Just cut this in half. And squeeze the lime juice in. Okay, we'll just mix in the lime juice. Stir it in really well. And then add a little salt and pepper. And that's guacamole with Serrano peppers.